Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 AutoCAD tutorials. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to change the text to uppercase in AutoCAD 2024. So we have here a text and we have to change it to uppercase. So we have two options here. First, click on this Express tool tab, and under this panel you will see that modify text. Click on drop down and then here select change case. Now select the object, that is the text, and then press enter. Now we have options here in which format we want this text. So we want it in a uppercase, so select this option, uppercase, and then click on the OK. Now you can see that the text is changed to uppercase. Okay, another, we have a shortcut, that is TCASE, that is text case. Press enter, select object, press enter, and you can switch from these options. So we are selecting this sentence case. Okay, so you can see it is switched to sentence case. So we have two options, one from express tool and one from shortcut. Both works same. Okay, so this way you can change the text case. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share for more video tutorials. Thank you.